celebrate this St. Patrick's Day with Irish nachos. The FN Sharp steak knife is pulling double duty on this one. It has a non-serrated straight edge which can pull double duty for prepping these potatoes. I'm slicing up some Yukon Gold into about 1/4 inch slices, and then you can line a sheet pan or even elevate it slightly on a cookie sheet, and then we'll go onto a corned beef that I've already prepared here, and I'm cutting against the grain real thin slices, and this just cuts like butter. If you want to cut thicker slices, totally up to you. It's going to come out just great either way. Into a bowl, I'm going down with some mayo, and then in with some ketchup or even flavored ketchup if you'd prefer. And then we're going to slice up some pickles. This is essentially going to turn into a house-made Thousand Island dressing. Just cut lengthwise on some pickles, turn that, cut against the slices that you just made, and now you just made a dice. You can make this a real chunky Thousand Island, or you can make it a real fine mince on your pickles. Add that to your ketchup and mayo. You can even add garlic powder, onion powder, a little paprika. Mix that up, keep it in the fridge until you're ready to use. Now into some chives. They're going to come real long. What I do to make it a little easier to work with is cut it right in half, and then take one side of that bunch, kind of line everything up with the tip of your blade there, and then we're just going to slice real little slices. And so this is just going to act as a garnish, but then it's also going to add a little flavor as well. Just for a little presentation, I'm going to put this into a cast iron pan. This is a really large one, so I'm just kind of piling everything right up in the middle, going down with a layer of potatoes, then with some Irish cheddar, that corned beef, sauerkraut, but make sure you drain it really well. Not only drain it, but then squeeze it in your hands to get rid of that extra moisture from the sauerkraut. I'm going to add a little chives, then I'm just going to do those layers all over again. Some cheese, some potatoes, then we're going to go back down with a little bit more cheese, why not, and then back in with some of that corned beef, a little bit more sauerkraut, and more cheese, why not. We're going to pop it back in the oven, get everything all nice and melty, and then to finish it, we're going to add the rest of the chives right on top, as well as that homemade Thousand Island dressing. Just get it all over there. It's supposed to be messy. It's going to be fun and enjoyable. Everybody's going to love it. Enjoy your St. Patrick's Day, and make sure to check out fnsharp.com for more. Enjoy.